Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and for today I would like to talk about the watering needs of our snake plant. And I have here a snake plant that hasn't been watered for almost 3 months, or I think more than 3 months na siyang hindi nadiligan, and it's actually in the area of my apartment na nasa low light shop. Kumbaga, nilipat ko lang siya dito sa ating balcony area so that we can appreciate its beautiful dark green and light yellow-green color pag naarawan nga siya. So, hindi ko siya nadiligan for the past months kasi as I've mentioned in my first vlog, talagang na-busy tayo sa ating work. But even if na hindi natin siya nadiligan, our snake plant is completely okay. So, medyo, kumbaga, hindi na siya ganun ka-firm yung kanyang leaves. Parang medyo soft na siya. And at some point, may mga wrinkled leaves na rin tayong nakikita dito sa ating snake plant. But even if na wrinkled na yung ating snake plant, hindi pa yan mamamatay. Talagang snake plant is really one of those succulents na perfect for beginners if you're looking for an indoor plant or an easy to care for and difficult to kill na succulent or plants. Snake plant na talaga yung masasuggest ko sa inyo. So right now, we will be watering our snake plant kasi talagang dehydrated na yung ating snake plant, and some of its leaves ay talagang nag-dry na siya. Kumbaga, it's not supposed, or we're not supposed to wait na mag-dry completely yung leaves ng ating mga snake plants before we water it. Kasi ibig sabihin lang nito, talagang na-ignore natin siya, and underwatering is not really good for our snake plants. So yes, drought tolerant sila. They can survive for a long period of time without watering. Pero if we repeat or paulit-ulit na i-underwater natin yung ating snake plants, it would eventually slow yung kanilang growth and development. So, yun yung ina-avoid natin sa ating snake plant. So, I have here another one. So, talagang nag-start na siyang mag-dry. We cannot save this leaf anymore. We can pull it out. Pero, if may resistance, wag natin siyang i-force kasi baka mahugot natin or ma-uproot natin yung entire na plant natin. So, what I usually do pag ganito is, yan, simply cut it. And let's wait until the time na itong naiwan na part would completely dry, and when we pull it, mas madali na lang siyang mahugot. Ayan. So, what else do we have here? May mga leaves pa tayo actually dito na kailangan tanggalin. It's part of the maintenance ng ating snake plant. So, meron pa tayo ulit dito. So, just imagine, more than 3 months nang hindi nadiligan yung ating snake plant, and this would also happen to our snake plant pag hindi nyo nga sila nadiligan. So for this one, we can still actually propagate this kasi yung taas na part ng leaf na to is medyo healthy or hydrated pa. So we're gonna be doing some cuttings here sa taas. We're just gonna simply cut it, then ilalagay natin siya sa tubig for water propagation. So I will be showing to you an update of that one pag nagkaroon na nga siya ng roots. Ayan. So, moving on, syempre, yung watering na ating mga snake plants would depend on your location and the location nga kung saan nyo siya nilagay. So, for example, sa atin, usually nilalagay ko siya dito sa ating balcony area where it receives a lot of sunlight every day. So, dapat sana mas madalas yung pagdidilig natin sa kanya. So, on average, we have to water our snake plants for like every 2 to 3 weeks. Again, it will now depend on the location and the amount of sunlight na nare-receive niya. But in my case, since pa-winter na dito sa China, I will be watering it siguro every month na lang just to give it a good hydration and hindi na maulit yung underwatering. So, another thing is, hindi dapat tayo mag-overwater sa ating mga succulents. So, overwatering means talagang siguro in a week, 2 to 3 times natin siyang dinidiligan, or hindi pa completely nag-dry yung kanyang soil is dinidiligan na natin siya. So, remember, snake plants are also succulents. Kaya we really need to make sure na completely dry na nga yung kanilang soil before we water them. So, mas magandang mag-underwater kaysa mag-overwater tayo kasi overwatering would now lead to root rot, which now causes the death of our snake plant. So, Yung sa akin, it has a well-draining soil mix and yung kanyang pot should have a drainage hole para every time na magdidilig tayo talagang magdidrain yung tubig out of the pot. So for some people, kung nagdidilig sila directly lang doon sa soil, they don't really water yung mismong leaves ng ating snake plant. But for me, I love na dinidiligan pati yung pinaka-leaves ng ating mga succulents to remove yung mga dust na nag-collect sa kanilang leaves. Ayan. So I think our snake plant is ready and we're just gonna be leaving it here para mag-completely drain yung tubig before nga natin siya ilipat doon sa ating balcony area. And just to give you some information about snake plants, I specifically love to put it in my bedroom kasi snake plants are excellent at improving yung air quality sa ating bedroom. So they absorb yung carbon dioxide and they release oxygen at night. So that means na talagang while we sleep, it's actually easier for us to parang breathe, and pagkagising natin, we feel more refreshed, more relaxed kasi they really filter a lot of toxins sa ating hangin. Ayan. So, that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You may also visit our Facebook page, A Desert Succulent PH.